Pleasant moment in the match. Did you think any pleasant more in this match?
Pleasant moment in the match?
Yes.
For who?
For you.
How can no ball be pleasant for me?
Thank you, sir.
You got the wicket.
Mr. Bose, please go ahead.
Was that even sensible for me?
No.
What's happening?
Mr. Bose.
Virat, Soumitra Bose from Hindustan Times. Throughout the tournament, you mentioned about composure, staying cool, not getting excited. Where did we go wrong today, considering the fact that we have such a fabulous batting lineup, and which did not show the composure probably you would have desired?
I think everyone desires composure. Not just me, but the players as well individually. And everyone wants to go out there and do well. No one goes out there to throw their wicket away or get out. You know, we give our best every time we go out on the field, and I'm really proud of the way the team has played in this tournament. The cricket is played between two teams. There's no one team on the park, so you have to accept losses. You have to accept that the other team has outplayed you, and they have shown better skill than you. They've shown better composure in pressure situations than you. Yes, we have shown composure in pressure situations most often in this tournament, but that is no guarantee that you're going to do it every time. Obviously, your best effort is to try and do it every time, but cricket is not about, you know, doing well in every game that you play. You will have failures, and one team has to lose on the day, and today was our day to lose because the opposition played much better than us.
Virat, at the halfway stage, you probably thought that 339 was probably a score that could be chased. But early wickets, 2 wickets probably dented it very strongly.
See, you can never tell in a short format game in a chase, because when Hardik started hitting, everyone started getting the feeling that if we can take the game deep, you know, we can. There was a pleasant moment, sir, for you. If we can take the game deep, then, you know, we can probably get closer to the total, and that's the kind of ability players have these days. But, you know, again, a mix-up, a run-out at that stage. So these things happen on the field. You understand that as cricketers. But yeah, early wickets are never good, especially in a chase. You know, then we kept losing wickets. One big partnership we thought would have been the key to set it up nicely. But, you know, as I said, credit to the opposition. They were